So guys, as you can see, this is my entire project workflows. So first of all, we have to change the config.yaml file because it will contain all of the configuration, all of the variable. Then if you have the params, so you also need to update the params because here we'll be updating all the model parameter. Then entity, so you can see we're having one folder called entity. Inside that config entity, we have to change. Then configuration manager inside src config. So inside config, we're having configuration.py. Then component, so you can see component. So here we'll be adding different component like data ingestion, then prepare based model, model trainer, model evaluation. These are the component we'll be adding. Then pipeline, so if I want to execute the component, I need the pipeline. So for this, we'll be creating the pipeline, stage wise pipeline. Then we'll be updating the main.py, which is nothing but my endpoint. Then we'll be updating the app.py, which would be our application, okay, application endpoint. So this is the entire project workflow. So we'll be following whenever you will be updating the code, just try to follow this workflow. It will be easy for you to update the code. Got it? So yes, now what we'll be doing, guys, we'll be doing our data ingestion component. First of all, we'll be doing in our Jupyter notebook. First of all, we'll try to I'll try to show you the entire Jupyter notebook experiment. Then I'll try to convert this notebook as one modular coding.